big score.
What was that? I backed up, and there was what I call a stick cactus. A bunch of them growing beside the road, and they had the big yellow clusters on them, like berries and what.
Yeah.
And then there was snow still on them. I thought, gotta have that.
I woke up in it this morning. It's just been beautiful all day. I do like the way the snow looks on everything. It's just incredible.
Oh,
it just looks so clean and everything. You know, it's all white.
Yeah.
You come up here just to take pictures? Is where you going there?
That's awful.
Nice.
You know,
that's cool.
I'm 81 years old. I do what I damn well want to. I walk out the door with this in my hand. My wife says, "I'll see you when you get back." So I'm okay.
That's excellent.
It's great, you know. So there's so much railing along here. There's hardly any place you can pull off. You know? So I got to just take it as I can. And then these rock outcroppings over here were just.
I know, when the sun's hitting them too, you can see them really good on the film.
Yeah, this morning it would have been terrible. It would have been flat. So, anyhow, you be careful.
Yeah, absolutely.
Take good care of yourself. God bless you.
You as well, my friend. See you soon. Nice and easy, right on the highway. Family Dollar. Let's go get some food. I loaded up and just realized that this morning I dropped my toothbrush in the dirt, so I went back in and got another toothbrush and some rubbing alcohol. That stuff's great to have around. You know, I got a $5 bill in my pocket. That's all the money I got on me. I got one saddlebag full of food, one saddlebag full of water. I think we'll be alright for a little bit. Today is the last day of my ID is valid. I'm actually going to be 30 years old tomorrow. I thought I was 30 a year ago. Turns out I was wrong, so now I'm actually 30. That's what happens when you stop celebrating your birthday. You get more time. This is the first place I've seen I can go inside and sit down for days. I need to go inside and at least 30 minutes, plug all my stuff in. I got like 10% on everything. So it's about to happen. I see the sign. You know, it might be dark, might be a little cold, I might be a little tired. It's about 10:30 maybe, but we made it. And the internet says that you can camp over here in the Valero parking lot. So let's see if we can make this happen. Yes, I finally made it. No, I don't think anyone's gonna be mad at me if I sleep right here for a little bit. Cool.
Oh, man, I love this bag. Look at this. You can just pull out your tarp and your sleeping bag, sleep any freaking where. This is awesome.
It's my birthday. I just remembered that guy yesterday at the gas station gave me a loaded bowl full of bubble hash. Gave me the bowl and everything. Happy birthday. Shazam. Got it all packed up. It's only 7:30. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go get some free coffee at the casino. Coffee and sunshine. I think we're ready to rock. Let's go ahead and fill up this container. I don't know. Okay. And hit the road. Let's go.
What's the purpose of having one?
I guess so. Makes you chase it, huh? Well, you're almost there. I guess there's no reason for me to help you now, huh?
Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
Have a good day. Well, that looks cool. Santa Fe. Let's take a little break. Cool. It's been about 2 hours. Got a little bit done on the computer. I think it's time to keep going. We're only 60 miles from Route 66. Getting a little windy and wet. I think I'm gonna sit right here for a minute. I'm pretty sure it's gonna pass. It stopped raining right away. And then I realized I was hungry, so take care of business. That's steep. Slipping. I could have made it if the back wasn't so heavy. All right, it's about 5:05. There's quite a few clouds. It'll probably start getting dark in about 45 minutes. Route 66 is, I might have made it 15 miles out of that 60. This trail, I mean, it's not the fastest, and I already got a flat tire on it. So, I'll start looking for a place to camp. Okay. This trail's gnarly. This trail's freaking, this is at least medium to advanced bicycle trail. Whew, okay. How nice is that? It's taken me about 3.5 hours to get to past 15 or so miles, so definitely not gonna make it anywhere near as far as we thought. But we're gonna keep moving. Looks like some rain over there. Well, there's the highway. That's the end of the trail. I think we're going that way. I'm just gonna chill right here for the night. I feel fine about this. It's got a great view. Nobody will be able to see me once the sun goes down. I'm just gonna get some rest and get up early and head on down that way. Good timing, look at that. Started snowing the second I stopped. Here it comes. Cool. All about that timing.